What's up, guys, man? I know the intro is kind of late today, but we are getting on the plane. The baby is on the plane today for the first time ever, man. We are headed up to Memphis, Tennessee. Memphis, Tennessee, man, to the down south. The countryest of the countryest, man. We about to go check out my dad's garage, go check out some bikes, go check out some fly rides, and enjoy this 4th of July, man. So y'all already know how we coming, man. If you haven't already, please like, comment, and subscribe. Let's get right into it. Alrighty, guys, so I just made it to my pop's crib out here in Memphis, man. Just dropped the garage, man. Let's see what we got in there, dog, because I think it's about time to go slide. Let's see real quick. Woo! Yes, sir.
Go ahead, the keys inside.
All right, bet. Let me see, man. Let me just check these things out real quick, dog. Yes, sir. Here y'all see it here first, man. I don't know how to start this one.
In the middle. There you go.
Oh, man. Got them joints.
Put it on the charger.
Y'all see what's going on, man. These things.
Put it on the charger.
All right. Yes, sir. We got them things pulled out, dog. This is a 2013 Road Glide. Fully custom, of course. PM wheels. Everything is like diamond cut, as you see. PM forks, PM brakes. Got the claw. Performance machine, rocker box covers, you know, all the glitz and the glamour you can want on a Road Glide. Everything is diamond cut. Even the freaking lights right there, man. This thing is something special. Even look down here. It's looking like a whole bunch of something down here, dog. Thing looking good. Arlen-S shifters, got the nice graphics on there. Okay, got like the little desert eagle bars. Things is nice. Everything up here is digital and or diamond cut, so that's dope. That's freaking dope. Helmet to match, backrest there. Now I do have my GoPro, however I don't have my little helmet mount, so kind of sucks, but we're gonna get what we can get done in. But y'all see it here first, man. That thing looking good. Let me know what y'all think about it in the comments below. Then we have our CVO here. Nice looking CVO. Looks really, really good. Got the candy and chrome wheels. Now my Road King looks similar with this color, rather. It definitely looks similar. So you guys will just see how it will look with the chrome wheels. He's got the chrome forks, sliders. Looks really good. Look at that graphic on there. It's like a marble type of ordeal. Colored brake lines. Performance machine 113. DC cycle and racing. 64 millimeter throttle body, Big Daddy-O. Got all the colored washers and Everything you can want. Chromed out the game. This bike is sick right here. Freaking sick, dog. Got the 2 and the 1. Thing look good, dog. Thing look good, man. All that chrome is something crazy. That's nuts. Diamond cut, everything. Everything, man. With the music on there, man. With the big music, man. What y'all thinking, man? Let your boy know in the comments below. This thing is looking amazing. Now y'all see where I get it from, man. Had to open the other garage, man. Got the dunks. You know we in the South, man. You gotta have the dunks on standby, man. Gotta have the dunks on standby, big dog. This thing right here cold. Woo-hoo-hoo, and it fired right up. Yes, sir. Hey, this is what I'm trying to ride around Memphis, dog. I'm trying to ride around like, y'all see it here first. Oh, my Jesus. Sheesh. Look at them things on them things on them things, dog. Oh, my God. This is definitely how we got to ride around Memphis, dog. This is definitely how we got to ride around Memphis, man. This thing's so cold. It's so cold. Oh my God. Look at the wheels. Riding 26s on this bad boy, man. 26s on that joint, dog. Whew. Oh my God. Yeah, man. Out here super clean. Super stupid clean, man. That's nuts. Let me know what y'all think about this daddy-o. Now, this is definitely a project car. It's not done. Pretty much just getting started, but real nice start, man. What y'all think about it so far, dog? Yeah, that motherfucker fly. Yeah. That's how they pulling up in Memphis in a C8, though. All right, man. We done pulled up to like this firework, big old tent, everything. Trying to see what type of fireworks we can get to blow a hole in the sky with, man. So let's see if we can get some red, white, and blues, dog. Alrighty, man. We got so much stuff. Not even so much. We kind of got the leftovers. I ain't gonna even hold you. But it's just a bunch of fireworks, and you just grab your little bucket, and then you just pick. So we out here picking it up, trying to see what's good, man. So let's see what we gonna come out of here with. Alrighty, guys. So we done got some more fireworks. We already got some at the crib, but gonna light up the block today. About to blow a hole in the sky tonight. So happy Independence, man. You know how it's gonna go up, dog.